Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Tab 10 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's scroll down. And I know it might be quite unusual and quite strange, but we need the build number in order to actually activate the developer options. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. If you've got any kind of screen not currently set, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the information we are now a developer, so we can go back to the general general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on advanced, and here we've got the developer options. So let's enter. So here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, for example, we can change the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. And in order to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher. And as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher at the very top on this greenish bluish color I mean the background, and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options will disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your CUBOT Tablet Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.